Praise the Lord. Lent is a season of fasting, prayer, and penance. If we Google in the internet for the word fasting, we will come across thousands and thousands of articles on how to diet and detoxify our bodies. Almost everyone on the internet become an instant dietitian or a health guru. But if you Google for the word mental fasting or spiritual fasting, we will come across a beautiful article by Emmett Fox titled 7 Days Mental Diet. It's a very resourceful, very helpful article on how to control our thoughts, how to purify our minds and our hearts. As the title suggests, it's a 7 days journey of mental purification, of controlling our thoughts, warding off all our unwanted thoughts and mental expressions. We might find it very easy to begin, but it's really hard to proceed or to complete those 7 days. Experience speaks. Now, the whole idea is to ward off or control or curtail any thought that comes to our mind which is evil, harmful, negative, or any thought that generates sadness, anger, despair, or any other negative, paralyzing, debilitating thoughts, and then refill those thoughts or replace that thoughts with some spiritual, very enriching, rejuvenating spiritual thoughts. It doesn't mean that none of the negative thoughts would ever come to our mind on these 7 days. Of course, they would come. But if we dwell upon those thoughts, or if we entertain those thoughts for a longer time, that would again become part of our habits, our mental thought process, and our mind and hearts would become impure again. So once the journey begins, we take a resolution, a vow instead, to complete 7 days without dwelling upon or entertaining any negative thoughts. Suppose the day one passes without any serious violation of this vow, and on the second day, we find ourselves dwelling upon or entertaining a negative or unholy thought. Immediately, we stop the whole process, spend the rest of the day in reflection, and the next day, we begin again as day one. So again, we'll have to go for 7 continuous days. So it keeps on repeating. Many people who have experienced say it's very difficult to complete the 7 days. But if we can control our thoughts, if we can follow the methods explained in this small article and complete the 7 days, we will find wonderful results. So our hearts would be purified, there would be rejuvenation of our spiritual life, and it would be a great practice, one of the best practice for our Lenten observance. In other words, it would be a way of carrying our own cross internally, and through mortification, through abstinence, through internal curtailing of our wishes and dwelling upon negative thoughts, we can proceed on our spiritual journey and reach greater spiritual heights. May this Lenten season and Lenten practice help all of us to come close to Jesus and celebrate the Paschal mysteries that's coming in 40 days' time. God bless you all.